अभी ही खांसना है सभी को। एनीवे, hello, Hare Krishna everyone. So today I'm finally back after so many months. And honestly, let me ask you something. Have you ever read a book and suddenly felt like, why didn't anyone tell me this earlier? So today I'm gonna share. जब भी वीडियो बनाने की ट्राई करती हूँ कभी मिक्सी चल जाती है तो कभी कुछ चल जाता है. So these are the books that I have read in like past 2 years. Like I started reading when I was in ninth, but तब मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही बुक होती थी और मैं उसी को लगी होती थी पढ़ने. पर वो बुक अब एक्चुअली है नहीं. So the first book I read is this, uh, Think, Grow, and I hope it is clear. Think, Grow, and Rich. Sorry, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hills. You know, when I first saw this book, I felt like this is a kind of book, that says becoming rich instantly or becoming millionaire instantly. But sadly, this is not that book. फिर मिक्सी चल गई. पहले मिक्सी चलने दो. हाँ. So I was saying that कि this book is, भूल गई क्या बोलने लगी थी.
A few moments later.
The real message of this book is like about mindset, beliefs, and persistence. And this book's अब क्या चल गया.
The next day.
This book explains that the success actually begins in your mind before it appears in your real life. So if you are someone who has big goals but sometimes you doubt yourself like कि क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा या क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी, so this book is definitely for you. This will actually change the way you think. So ध्यान से देखो इसका. So the second book is this, Atomic Habits. I think सब बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये पढ़ी भी होगी. And it is by James Clear. And also ignored the packaging because ये जब मुझे रिसीव हुई थी तो ये थोड़ी सी अनइवन सी आई थी, so I can't help with that. So while reading this book, I realized something funny, that we all want big results, but we somehow ignores the small habits or like the daily actions that we do in our daily life. So this book is really helpful for me. Because if you're someone who says कि कल से स्टार्ट करूँगा कल से स्टार्ट करूँगा but वो कल कभी नहीं आता, so this book is definitely for you. It explains how small habits create a big difference in your life. So the next book is this, the mountain is क्या थी यार, हाँ sorry, The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Also ignored the packaging. ये खराब नहीं आई थी, ये मैंने खराब करी है और ये अच्छी कंडीशन में आई थी, बट कोई बात नहीं, इग्नोर दैट. बट दिस बुक सेज समटाइम्स हु इज स्टॉपिंग आवरसेल्फ to achieve something in life is not others, sometimes it's us. And क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी हम ही अपनी ग्रोथ को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं एंड विदाउट इवन रियलाइजिंग इट. सो दिस बुक इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर मी एंड दिस इज़ one of my favorite book that I'm reading in all of these. So I would say I would highly recommend this book if you are someone who self-sabotage things, who doubt yourself. Whenever I'm sad or whenever I'm angry, from my personal experience while reading this book, I would say कि जब भी मुझे you know whenever I feel angry, whenever I don't feel good about myself, whenever I start doubting myself, and whenever I want to talk to someone but there was no one to talk to, so I read this book because it also talks about emotions like anger, jealousy, and emotion in human beings. So I would really recommend this book. This book is literally therapy, guys. This is literally therapy. So पढ़ो इस book को. Buy yourself the damn flowers. If you are in your self-love era, if you are in your self if you want peace in life, if you want to love yourself more, this book is really 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 good for you guys. this book helps me loving myself more. When I started my self-love journey, I started reading this book, and it really really helped me a lot. I started loving myself more, and I start expecting less from other people, and I start expecting more from myself. I would say this is so 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 good book. I would say you can you can see the smile when I'm talking about this book. So this book really helps me a lot. uh just read this book. Highly 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 recommended this book if you are in your self-love journey, if you want to love yourself more. I don't want to say this, but I realized that I was the one helping everyone. Like whenever they need help, whenever they need help, I was always there. Whenever they need validations, I was always there. But whenever I need help, why is everything empty? And I started to realize, they're like, oh, you're strong, you can handle it on yourself. Like, I know I'm strong, but where's my help now? Right? नेक्स्ट बुक इज, मैं दोनों साथ में दिखा देती हूँ बिकॉज ये दोनों सिमिलर सी लगती हैं थोड़ी थोड़ी. सो द दिस वन इज हाउ टू विन फ्रेंड्स एंड इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल बाय डेल. व्हाई एम प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना आ रहा. कार्निक, डेल कार्निक. इट इज, I don't know it is Carnegie or not. It is Dale Carnegie. So this book really helps in communicating with others, like how to communicate with others, how to understand other people, like about others. Like if you want to, learn about people, if you want to learn how people think. Dale Carnegie. So if you're someone who wants to, improve your communicating skills with people and wants to build relationship with others, so this book might help you. And last but not the least, this book is Shatter Me by मैं नहीं पढ़ रही यार, बहुत अजीब सा नाम है. सॉरी, अजीब सा नाम नहीं है, मतलब मुझसे पढ़े नहीं जा रहे हैं. एंड इट हैज़ सो मैनी एडिशंस, लाइक सो मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस बुक, बट मैंने सिर्फ एक ही मंगाया बिकॉज मनी कम थी इसलिए. एंड आई वुड से हाँ, ये बुक बहुत अच्छी है. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक रीडिंग रोमांटिक एंड फिक्शनल बुक्स, दिस इज़ रियली रियली गुड बुक. काफ़ी टाइम पहले पढ़ी थी, मुझे उसका नाम भूल गया. हाँ, मुझे वार्नर याद है इसमें बिकॉज वही काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. सो मुझे वार्नर याद है इसमें से, और लड़की का नाम आई गेस जूलियट था, आई थिंक. हाँ. So if you like fictional books, I would say this book is nice. You can read it. So yeah, these are some of the books that really changed the way how I think. And I know अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी books पढ़ी हैं ये कम है, but and I have to read more books. Start by reading one page per day, and you will not gonna realize कि कब वो 1 page 5 pages में turn हो जाएगा, and कब वो 5 pages 10 pages बन जाएंगे, and you don't even realize कि कब वो book खत्म हो जाएगी. So if any of these books sound interested to you, maybe give one of them a try. And if you have any book recommendation for me, definitely you can tell me in the comment sections, because my bookshelf clearly needs more than just decoration. So you can suggest me some books also. And that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए ओके बाय.